Most people believe the reason they can't save money is because they don't earn enough. But the truth is very different. Many people with good salaries still struggle to save anything at the end of the month. The real problem isn't income, it's daily habits. Small decisions we make every day slowly shape our financial future. In Tisbido, you'll learn simple money habits that can help you save money daily without feeling restricted. One of the most powerful habits for saving money is the 24-hour rule. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something that you don't truly need, wait 24 hours before purchasing it. Most impulse purchases happen because of emotions. After a day, the excitement usually disappears. Many people realize they didn't really need the item at all. This small pause can prevent hundreds of unnecessary purchases each year. A big reason people fail to save money is what I call invisible spending. These are small daily expenses that feel harmless. A coffee, food delivery there. A streaming subscription you barely use. Individually, they seem small, but together they can drain thousands of dollars every year. Becoming aware of these hidden expenses is the first step toward controlling them. Another powerful money habit is called paying yourself first. Instead of saving whatever money is left at the end of the month, save first and spend later. Many successful people automatically move a small percentage of their income into savings as soon as they get paid. Even saving 5% or 10% consistently can create powerful financial security over time. If you struggle with overspending, the cash envelope method can help. The idea is simple. Take the money you plan to spend on categories like groceries, eating out, or entertainment, and place it in separate envelopes. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. Using physical cash makes spending feel more real and helps people stay within their limits. Saving money doesn't require extreme sacrifices. Even small improvements can create big results over time. If you save just a little bit more each day or reduce one small expense, those changes add up. Think of it as improving your finances by just 1% each day. Over months and years, these tiny habits can lead to thousands of dollars in savings. Many people increase their spending every time their income increases. This is called lifestyle inflation. When people get a raise, they upgrade their car, their house, or their lifestyle. As a result, they never feel financially ahead. A smarter strategy is to keep your lifestyle stable and increase your savings when your income grows. One of the most underrated money habits is simply tracking where your money goes. Most people have no clear idea how much they spend each week. But when you track every dollar, something interesting happens. You become more aware of your decisions. Awareness alone can reduce unnecessary spending. Saving money is not about extreme budgeting or giving up everything you enjoy. It's about building small daily habits that slowly move you toward financial freedom. If you start applying even one or two of these habits today, your financial future can look very different a year from now. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these money habits do you think will help you the most? Let me know in the comments below.